Hello everyone. If your life path number is 5, then this video is for you. And if your friends or relatives have this number, then you will know about them from this video. If you don't know about life path number, then please check my playlist and see my video on life path number. Members of this number can be recognized by their freedom and independence. They are curious and wish to experience everything life has to offer. They get acquainted with the world through their senses, so they seek to touch, smell, taste, hear, and see. Because of their need to experience everything, they find it difficult to make decisions, and their nature is changeable. They don't always know what they really want. Number 5 is adventurous in spirit. They like to travel and explore unknown territories and preferring to travel alone, and they are particularly like foreign countries. Travel and other countries enrich number 5, as this is how they broaden their knowledge and experience. Through travel and socializing, they get to know themselves. Unlike other numbers, number 5 easily adapts to a change of residence. Number 5 loves nature, art, other cultures, and socializing. They are very well spoken and communication is easy for them. They are charming, attractive, cheerful, extrovert, and difficult to resist. They are often at the center of attention and like to hang out and have fun. Being joyful, in a good mood, and fun company, they often raise the spirits of people they are with. They want to gain the affection of others and make them happy. They make friends easily and quickly, but they rarely keep them. They are highly aware of their appearance and place great significance on looking good. They have impeccable taste and often dress in the latest fashion. Experience is very important if they want to develop and expand their views. It's not enough for them to just hear about something, they need to experience it. Number fives have brilliant minds and they are constantly thinking about things and making plans. They have a well developed planning ability and are willing to take risks. They have an acute sense of time. They value their own time, which is why they are constantly in a hurry. Freedom is highly important to number 5 and they will fight for it. Their views on life are different. They don't observe events as good or bad, right or wrong, but value the event and the experience it offers. With their fighting nature and courage, they break established norms and convey a message to others that a different way of life is fine. They make their decisions abruptly and their behavior is unpredictable. They like changes and rarely realize long term plans. They can be described as superficial because nothing holds their attention for so long. They often change jobs if they are not challenged enough. You need to learn how to live your life to the fullest by getting rid of fears and worries about your past and future. Be prepared to learn from the experiences and mistakes of others. This is particularly difficult for number 5 because you mostly learn from your own mistakes and experience. It would be good if every once in a while you listen to the advice of those who are more experienced so you can avoid bad experiences. Number 5 is quite successful at work and easily gains material success. However, this doesn't mean they will become wealthy because it's in their nature to spend money. Their mind is brilliant, they have a developed ability of planning and invention. Their nature is dynamic and unstable, so it is not uncommon for them to change jobs frequently if their current employment is not exciting. They are independent and stand firmly by their views. They are constantly on the move, making new plans that will profit them. They need a challenging job with a degree of freedom. They are good with logic and they are skilled communication, and openness can easily disarm any opponent. They use their intuition to work out whether who they are dealing is honest and their instincts are reliable. They can immediately assess whether someone is trying to deceive them. They like to spend time with educated people. They need to avoid jobs that require strict discipline. When it comes to love, they are unstable, impulsive, and unpredictable. They are charming, good looking, extrovert, and cheerful, which makes them attractive to both men and women. It's hard for everyone to be indifferent in the company of number 5. A relationship with number 5 is often passionate and can be superficial. In their youth, they have many relationships, often simultaneously. They can calm down if they have a dynamic business life or if they start a family. Freedom is highly significant to number 5, both in life and in love. For this reason, they love their partners in a different way to other numbers, and many will find this difficult to accept. Number 5 is usually healthy and long lived. They are aware of their appearance, so they try to have a healthy diet and an active life. They should be careful when traveling. It is advisable to practice meditation or some other way to keep calm and reduce nervousness. Skin illness and heart problems are possible, so a healthy diet and physical active are recommended. So that's all about number 5 people. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.